Stripe looks polished on the outside, but what do their real customers say? Sometimes the reviews tell a very different story. Here is a quick way to see what everyday business owners actually experience with Stripe. Just search Stripe on TrustPilot and filter by one-star reviews. You will notice the same themes come up: accounts being frozen without warning, funds held for months, and creators struggling to get clear answers. Checking reviews like this gives you a real world perspective beyond the brand name. Now, compare that to EasyPay Direct. They earn strong ratings by giving every client a dedicated point of contact who actually knows your account. And because they underwrite upfront, your business is matched with the right bank from the start. On top of that, you get features like decline recovery and 250 plus integrations, making payments smoother and far more reliable. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can see how it stacks up against Stripe. If you're building a business that needs stability, getting started with EasyPay Direct is simple. Fill out the sign up form and you will have a merchant account built to support you long term. The link is right there in the description.